In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to debug Salesforce flows using the debug panel. This process is essential for anyone looking to troubleshoot and optimize their Salesforce processes effectively. First, let's start by logging into your Salesforce account. Make sure you have the appropriate permissions to access and modify flows. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Setup area, distinguished by the gear icon in the upper right corner of your screen. After clicking on the gear icon, you'll see an option for flows, so go ahead and click there. Now that you're in the Flows section, it's time to identify and open the flow you wish to debug. Once you've selected the correct flow, look towards the top right of your screen where you'll find the Debug button. Clicking on this button will allow us to get started with the debugging process. When you click Debug, a prompt will appear asking if you'd like to run the latest version of your flow. Ensuring that you're working with the most current version is crucial for effectively identifying any issues that might be present, so always choose to run the latest version. There may be instances where your flow uses input variables to function correctly. If this is the case, make sure these variables are filled out appropriately before proceeding. Accurately setting input variables allows the debug process to replicate real-world conditions closely. If everything looks good and you've set all necessary parameters, it's time to click the Run button to initiate the debugging session. Once your flow runs, you will see a detailed step-by-step breakdown of its execution in the debug panel. This is where you'll spend time reviewing how your flow is functioning. Keep an eye out for any execution steps that diverge from your expectations, as these may signal potential issues. Pay attention to any errors that might pop up in the debug logs, noting down specific values and logic that could be causing process hiccups. If you notice anything wrong like errors, incorrect values, or logic issues, you'll need to modify your flow accordingly. Understanding what needs improvement or correction requires a careful comparison against what the flow should be doing versus what the debug session reveals. After you've diagnosed the problems and made appropriate changes, remember to save your adjustments and activate the revised flow. This final step ensures that your flow functions correctly for end users going forward. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be well equipped to debug any flow within Salesforce, allowing you to enhance performance and reliability. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful.